Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, northern LaSalle County in north central Illinois, northern Grundy County in northeastern Illinois, until 3:15 p.m. At 2:03 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Shabona to near Sublette, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: trained weather spotters. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Aurora, Joliet, Plainfield, Oswego, Ottawa, Yorkville, Morris, Channahon, Minooka, Plano, Sandwich, Mendota, Sheridan, Montgomery, Boulder Hill, Lake Holiday, Somonauk, Earlville, Serena, and Newark. Including the following interstates: Interstate 39 between mile markers 67 and 77. Interstate 80 between mile markers 91 and 122. This includes Getawwood State Park, Grundy County Speedway and Fairgrounds, Tri-County Fairgrounds, and William G. Stratton State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm